Northwest. We are here at the Madison Creek Falls Trail. This is the last chance using the restroom. There's the falls. Very short walk. Wow, check these out. We spent so much time packing our stuff and then we're just right here. There are lots of trails going up and down. You know that? There are a ton of trails, hiking trails. There's some of these right here. This one, you can see people are like climbing up. Very steep, way up there. We just made it to the Marymere Falls. So if we are going to the left, then we'll be going to the Storm King Trail, which is right here. All right. Oh. Thank you. Okay, we have to climb all this. Climbing the mountain to see a waterfalls. It's pretty steep. Hey, we're climbing so. Oh, I didn't realize it's gonna be this steep. We're actually climbing the mountain. Whew. 1.5 miles. Round trip, but it's steep though. It's not your typical flat, easy hiking trail. It's not like the first one. You need water? Here, get some water. Good morning.
Hi, morning.
No, I don't think so. But here we are. Made it to the Marymere Falls, our second falls of the day. I think The Madison Falls is also a lot better because you can actually get into it. Time to climb back down. Hold on to the side wheel. If I fall, I'm going to be dragging you down with me. That's why. That's tacky. We're climbing down the mountain. Oh, it's steep. Loose rocks. Oh, there's another viewpoint right here. That's why. This is actually better from the lower level.
Go back from the
Alright, so we're just gonna go down this path here to get to the lower part of the view, which is right here.
Oh, you see that thing? Awesome lady here first.
Alright, time to go back to the car. We'll just give you a grand tour of the Marymere Falls. We made it here at the Sol Duc Falls. We are about to get on the trail and head out there in a few minutes.
You are here. So it's about a mile.
Yeah, it's about a mile. There's a lot of trails that lead to different lakes.
But if you can go, if you want to, you can keep going.
That's the river. Well, we're just gonna go through the falls and back.
That's the river trail.
I know, but we're just gonna go through the falls and back because we got a long day ahead. Yeah, I mean we could go as far as we can.
Yeah, we can go.
We got all day. Well, not all day, but.
We done?
Yep.
Yeah, tonight we go back to our home state in Seattle, rest up for like an hour or two, get up at 4. Yeah, get up at 4 o'clock in the morning because we have to be at the park before 6 o'clock, maybe even 5:30. Because
5:30 is before 6 o'clock.
yeah, no, be there by 5:30. Because you know the traffic's going to be really, really bad. Even during the weekdays like this, I'm sure it would still be bad. Oh. There you go. Sol Duc Falls. Climbing down? Pretty steep. We made it to the falls, Sol Duc Falls. We are actually on top of the falls right now. It is amazing up here. Sandwich. Oh, I should have brought my mom to come take care. Okay. All right, we made it to the Hoh Rainforest section of the national park. It is about between 4 and 4:30. Can't really remember, but we're gonna try all these mini trails. I'm guessing this is one of the trails.
I guess there's like multiple. So
Yeah,
this is the river.
There are a ton of them. The biggest one is the 17 miles loop, which we're not doing. And these are just the small ones.
This is the mini trail, Hall of Mosses, Spruce,
Yep.
and river. Spruce
My mosses is over here.
and river.
Yeah. Let's go the Spruce Trail and the whole river trail. Spruce Nature Trail. You climb just.
here and got chopped into like 10 pieces.
Hey, it's huge.
Yeah. Right here, we got to chop.
This is the rainforest. This is our last stop for the day. After this, we're gonna head back to Seattle. 3 hours drive, maybe 4. But yeah, it's been a blast. We had fun 2 days here. And we just want to show you guys where everything is. So in case you decide to come, you can come out and check out these cool places.
Right? That's just straight
Hands down.
The sun is different.
Yeah,
See the water.
you don't, because it looks gray now.
Yeah.
It looks gray now. Part of the mountain. Ooh, check these out.
Look at this algae.
I bet you there are fish down there. Yeah. Yeah. It's a good sign, right? Oh, this is where we were earlier. Yeah. This is where we take a left. Yeah. Take that one way. Kind of cool. Yeah. Our final stop before we head back to Seattle. It's always drift logs and rip ties. Oh, look at that. This is actually pretty cool. Yeah, go through that little trail right there. Oh, hey, we meet again. What a day, huh? We're from Georgia. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh definitely. You gotta do that. You can't just stay home the whole time, right? Yeah.
At least you get one arch.
Yeah. All right, this is low tide, so we are actually here checking out this rock. Was once covered by water. We don't know what we're gonna find. We found a bunch of jellyfish and fish, small fish, dead, of course.
That green thing.
Whatever it is alive.
There's a glob of barnacles in there.
Yeah. I'm not sure what we're gonna find, but it's just low tide, so I'm trying to see if I can find anything. But this is actually pretty cool. They're not slippery. These are actually pretty grippy. These rocks right here, very grippy.